So you can see how this is quite similar to that 3 ponytail haircut, because we were using our guides and taking our sections down to it and then up to it to create graduation. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks so much for being here. If you're new, hit the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment down below on what you think about this video. Today's video is going to be this haircut. This haircut has been inspired by you guys wanting me to do it. It was the 3 ponytail haircut where there was one here, here, and one low down, and where it was all sort of cut and then brought up, cut, brought up, and then cut. So it's a bevel bob, really nice wave. Inspirations for like on-trend celebs, Alexa Chung, Fern Cotton, Lauren Conrad, and there was one in the video that I couldn't remember who it was, and it was, what's her name? Singer, country singer, now pop star. I did this in the last video. Anyway, if I remember it, Taylor Swift. Taylor Swift. I was going to pop the picture in here. But this is the haircut, this is the salon professional version as such. So it's all sectioned through, sectioned out. I'll show you all the sectioning. I've got it all taken pictures of so I can show you it all in this video. But really simple really. Just sort of cut and then brought up, cut, 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 as if it was sort of, we were creating graduation, but very, very long graduation. So we keep the length. And then this was all brought back, and then the length was refined. And then the fringe I just really sort of chopped into it. I really wanted that to be really textured and really sort of undone. So that's what I did. So yeah, if you enjoyed the video, let me know in the comments down below if you prefer the salon version or the ponytail version, which is used as like a training technique. Both very similar, both finished very similar. But yeah, I'd like to know, what do you prefer? Do you prefer the ponytail or do you prefer the salon technique? Because yeah, they're both very similar, but obviously there's differences to it because they're cut slightly different, completely different. This one wasn't a ponytail. So yeah, let's get into the video. Section pattern, I'll just explain. So recession, recession, and then it's just a horseshoe section that dips down and then right back up again. Centre parting in that back. The high point of the head, it goes over and it joins to just behind the ear there. So basically that cuts through that top horseshoe section also. But it also gives us 2 symmetrical sides, 2 sections on top that we can play with and work with, and then the back section being just split into 2 so we know we're going to get perfect symmetry with this haircut. So what we want to do today is we want to put in a nice salon friendly haircut bob, probably work just above the mannequin's sort of neck, bottom of the neckline, and then we'll bring it maybe just to look around here. Because what I'm going to do with this then is I'm going to colour it. I'm going to do a ribbon balayage technique or a ribbon foiling technique. I'm going to take it all darker, have some ribbon like lighter pieces running through, which I'm doing live tomorrow. So this video is going to go out after when I'm live. But yeah, if you check out Joyco Europe's Instagram page, we do loads of lives on there. So yeah, let's get into the haircut. First off, what we want to do is we want to just find the occipital bone. And I'm just going to draw a diagonal line just straight down there as our first section. And this haircut is taken from the 3 ponytails that I did that blew up. It's sort of got 1 million views in 4 weeks. But I think those ones do. I think the ones that people can sort of see it instantly just tend to blow up quite quick. Whereas this one will probably be a little bit slower, but this will help all you hairdressers out there put in a nice salon friendly, salon floor ready bob. So I'm just clipping that out of the way there. So I've just got 2 symmetrical sides now, and where we'll take it 1 inch above where the mannequin's neckline stops. We'll use that as our guide, what we just cut. Just cutting a nice straight line through there. Clean up any of these hairs that just drop out. Next section, same again, we're going to go 1 inch up, diagonal line down to the back of the ear. See this side better. 1 inch above our last section. Brushing it all down, you can see we've got a really good guideline here. Just going to go in like that, tap just to release any sort of tension. Just going to follow that all the way through there. again, I'm going to put my comb in. I'm just going to bring it back to that line. Beautiful straight line there. And again, comb in on the head. As we get down, just angling or bringing that comb back to me. Gives us a beautiful blunt shape there. And this is where we're going to start to put some graduation into the haircut. So we're going to pull away from the head at 45 degrees with our guide. See our guide underneath, nice thick line in there. Straight across to our guide that we created with our length. Yes, a subtle piece of graduation there. Same on the sides. Just going to pull back to that guide that we put in. So let's give us a bit of graduation there. And as I work just around the head here, pull out, find our guide. Because we're ever directed back, we've got a little bit of length there that we're going to nibble off once we've done. So again, I'm just going to bring all of this back, find our guide. Just a slight little bit of graduation there. Got a little bit of extended length there. It's just rounding off those corners. So there's that bob shape, nice bit of graduation texture in there. We'll move on to this top section. What we're going to do now, just work in horizontal sections, straight through, just pull down to that last guide that we had from underneath here. So this is creating graduation through here. My guide is just at my fingers. See my guide just there from the previous. So make sure we're square. Taking that across. And this is where that nice graduation starts to appear. Straight across again. Now we're going to move up to that last piece that we just cut, which is there. So you can see how this is quite similar to that three ponytail haircut, because we were using our guides and taking our sections down to it and then up to it to create graduation and layering. Because we're going to be working these corners back here, we're going to have a bit of disconnection through this side. And again, moving up to that last section we just cut. See a really nice strong guide in there. Nearly straight out from the head now, still a little bit of graduation, but you're just dropping that down slightly. So you can see we're combing straight down there. That's that section done. So cross check, just pull this out, which you can see really nice graduation there. Pull it straight back. There you go. Perfect. You should be able to see that silhouette. Work it through there now. Coming down and then just tuck it under. Now the sides. So what we did on the ponytail haircut was we brought it all back because it was all connected to this underneath section. So I'm going to do similar to that. I'm going to come straight down. I'm just going to follow that angle from our sections. Again, straight back. Straight back there. See my guide. Pull all this back and then repeat on the other side. Guide. Top section now. We're going to be using this top section as our guide, and this mannequin has got a fringe, so it's not all going to reach there. So this is straight out to meet that guide we put in at the back. There we go, so that is the salon way of cutting that free ponytail haircut that I did. Ponytail here, here and then here. I'm going to get this dry, get it styled out, and I'll refine it so you can see, because we'll be taking off some of this length around the front. And then we'll have a look when it's finished. That is a really soft graduated bob. Really low, no high graduation whatsoever. Just something in there just to give a little bit of bevel through there. What it does, you can see it just lifts away from that length just to sort of soften it and make it a little bit more floaty. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, let me know in the comments down below. And as normal, or as usual, hit the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below and let me think about this video. And I will see you on the next video.